I've been a foreman here for about 9-10 years. I've been here 35 years, and we switched over to Xfinity Grease about a year and a half ago. And just from being a mechanic all these years, I've noticed a drastic difference in drivetrain lubrication. Things are not falling apart as they used to. Steering linkages, through shafts. Excellent product. We try to do our big trucks. We have about 250, 300 trucks. We try to grease them 4 times a year, and the breakage has been absolutely a difference in the time we've switched over to this grease. It's an excellent product. It pushes all the old stuff out, and it's just great for the metals and bearings. It's tremendous. I hope we never go away from this product. It's really good. Thank you.
Thanks, Mike.
Yeah, we've been using the Fuel Ox grease now for at least 2 years now. We have all our trucks and we have a big fleet. I've had in the last year maybe 1-2 possible drivetrain issues that were non-related to the grease. Grease is perfect. It works great. Can't be more happy.
What kind of issues did you used to have, Mike, that you don't have anymore?
We used to have U-joints going through U-joints like crazy, through shafts that connect the back rears, steering, linkages, tie rod ends. We hardly go through any of them now. It's definitely a great product.
So would you say that the savings in parts pays for
100%. 100%. No, there's no questions about it. It didn't take me long as a foreman to see it because I do all the paperwork. Absolutely pays for itself instantly.
And then some.
And then some.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.